Hello. Today we're talking about equivalent ratios and what we do with them and how we can show that they are equivalent. Now initially I told you that ratios are expressions that can compare things. And I didn't tell you that we can rewrite those ratios. So here I have a ratio of 2 to 10. What I need to do to see if it's equivalent to a ratio of 3 to 15 is to rewrite it first. And what we actually do when we rewrite ratios is make them into fractions. So I'm going to write this as a fraction of 2 over 10. Now when you do rewrite your ratios, whatever number was first goes in your numerator. Whatever number was second goes in your denominator. We need to keep that consistent for all of our problems. So when I rewrite a ratio of 2 to 10 into a fraction of 2 tenths, I want to make sure that that 2 is in the first spot and that 10 is in the denominator. Alright, so then I'm going to rewrite a ratio of 3 to 15 as 3 over 15. And there we go. Now, if we want to show that these are equivalent ratios, what I need to do is reduce these fractions into simplest form. Now if I'm going to reduce 2 tenths, I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 2 because it has 2 in common. When I do that, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So when we reduce that ratio, or we reduce that fraction down in simplest forms, it's 1/5. And now we're going to do the same thing for 3/15. We need to simplify it in the lowest terms. And now here we're going to divide by 3 because 3 goes into both 3 and 15. Then 3 goes into 3 once. And 3 goes into 15 5 times. So again, we can see that these in fact are equivalent ratios because 1/5 does equal 1/5. And now you can go back and put these into ratio form with the colon and say 1/5 like this. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. Again, let's go down to example 2 here. We have 2/4 into 10/20. We're going to rewrite 2/4. We're going to rewrite 2 to 4 as 2/4. We're going to rewrite 10 to 20 as 10/20 and put it in a fraction form. We need to simplify. 2/4 goes down to 1/2. 10/20 does go down to 1/2. So again, those are equivalent. And we can write them as 1 to 2 is equal to 1 to 2. Hope that helps.